to create a portfolio project for a data analyst using SQL. So we have to download a dataset from ourworld.org. This is the COVID. I want the COVID dataset. So COVID, hit that. COVID-19. Yep, this is what I need, and this is what I want. So okay, as you can see, now this is the data we wanna download. So hit download this dataset to bring you to this page. What you need to do right here is click on download this compact. Now you need to download this particular not download select everything on this page, because we're not able to download it directly. So Control A, and then we select every single thing. Okay, let's reload it. Control A. What's wrong with Control A? Yep, Control A, and then Control C. Right? Okay, once you've done Control C, that's copying it essentially. Open this up and paste it right here. Paste it right here. Paste. Once you do that, save as. So yep, SQL, put it on COVID-19.csv. Don't forget putting that. So save. Okay, now you can close everything. You have already downloaded the dataset. So the dataset step 1 has been complete. Now the second step we need to do is open SSMS. That is the SQL Server Management Studio. If you don't know how to, if you don't have this app, then you need to download and install it. I'll put a video for the same link in the description below this video. So let's just delete that particular database and create our database. So SQL portfolio. Okay, so click OK after you've done that. So we need to okay, right, come here on tables. There's no table, nothing on this database, and we need to start creating this particular database. So click on new query. So these are the steps that we are going to use to create this particular project. So the first thing we need to do is import our data right here. So okay, for now okay, this is commenting. Once you put two dashes, means that you're commenting it out. So the first thing, step 1, download the dataset. particular website that we did Chrome. Your world in here, this one, click here, and I will copy and paste. Okay, comment it out. That's it. Right. Yep. Now the step 2. Step 2 is transform data. Okay. So now what we need to do right now is open up Excel. I can directly import this particular CSV here, but I don't want to do that because I want to simplify the process so that everyone can follow it up easily for the beginners. So I need to separate or some data to different tables. I need to open SQL or Excel, sorry, and then click on data from CSV. Now, yeah, okay, let's import it. Let's import the CSV file that we just created from downloading the dataset for COVID-19. So let's load it. Once you load, you will see our Power Query right here. This will show you what's really happening. So right now it's being loaded. So once it's loaded, now we can perform some tasks right here. So, okay, transform the data. Okay. So what I need to do is move this particular population column that we have here and move it to the start, towards the start after the date. So click on edit. This population. Anyway, let's just use this. The simplest way to do it is just click and hold and then move it. Okay, this date, so I'll put it after date. Now you can see we have reordered the columns. Now I need to close and load. As you can see, it's already changed. The population will move from A to AZ to C. Once it finishes updating here, it will come here. So what we need to do as well, we need to split this particular file into two Excel files for easier manipulation of the data. So I need A to Z, and then we can now see where is Z. Z has weekly ICU admissions. We need to select till here. So all the information to the left from Z will be our COVID deaths information, and then from A towards the right will be our vaccination, COVID vaccinations data. So click edit, choose columns, select A to Z. Yep, till there. Okay. Then now close and load. And then now let's observe and see what's going to pop up to be A to Z still here. All the other data are now going to be saved in our first file, or COVID deaths file. Yep, see? Now file, save as, this PC, SQL. Let's save it as, what is it called? COVID. Or COVID deaths, sorry. That's it. Okay, my workbook is a 2021 workbook, Excel workbook, so let's save it for now like that. Okay, so let's now manipulate the data again. Just click here and edit, and I'll choose the other remaining ones, but keep country and date. Sorry. Now everything else that was selected should be unselected, and those that are not selected to be selected. So just okay. Okay. Save. So close and load. Okay, let's update our here move population column. Column. Save. Split. Set down. to COVID. COVID vaccination. Excel file. Yep. So if I want, for example, to import this particular, okay, let's finish with this first. Save SQL COVID vaccination. So this particular one is an Excel workbook for 2021, but I am aware that our SSMS is not does not have this Excel 2021 workbook. So we'll select the Microsoft Excel 5. Okay, and then hit save. And now you can close this one up. Right. So for you to import, so the next thing we need to do is import. Okay, this is step 3. Import into saved into to SSMS. Okay. Right. You don't need to write all these particular details. I'm just writing it for my portfolio, and you can do it the way you want. You don't have to copy everything that I've done. Right. So you need to import Excel files saved into SSMS. So right click, tasks, import data, next, and then notice we have Microsoft Excel, but Excel versions here. See, you only have Excel 5. This is the one that I saved, and this is exactly all the Microsoft Excel, the one workbooks that can be used. So let's just leave it the way it is and browse. So as you can see, we have the Excel workbook. This is for 2021, and this is for 97 to 2003. So this is how I saved it. I saved them. So let's click the first COVID deaths first, and then click next. As you can see, you have this particular error popping up. Right. So okay. So show details, and I'll copy this error. Okay. This error, and bring it here. Okay. So evade. Yep. The error below. This is it. Okay, now you can evade by that error by to evade this error. This right. So let's open up our it's this one. Yep, this file, save as SQL, change it to whatever you want. If you want, but some of them here might not work. They, they might delete some information from the file, and that's not what we want. So click here, save. That's it. Close, close. Come here. You can go to tasks, import data. Next, Microsoft Excel, browse. Let's put the dates. Make sure you choose this particular Microsoft Excel 97 to 2003 worksheet. So I need these dates. Don't select the 2021 because our particular versions that are here don't have, they are not past 2016. So, okay, so select next. Okay, right here, just select SQL Server. Keep everything as there. Make sure your database is selected. Uh, click next. Click next. Now you can change the value for the table. COVID. That's next. Finish. It's all now. So to see this table that we just imported, click on tables, right click and refresh. You'll see the COVID tables right here. You can even select the top, 1,000. Right, this is it. This is what we got for now. And now let's do the same thing. Okay, to back this one. Click open next. Yep, let's click on, where is it? COVID back. Yep. Yep. Next. Wait. Data source, data destination. I need this. Sorry, mate. And then select the database. Next. Okay, now we can change our table name right here. Remove the $sign if you don't want it. Okay, COVID vaccination vac. Next, finish. That's all done. Now, what we need to do is tap on refresh on the tables, and you can see our table right there. That's it. Well, so now let's see all the data. So select asterisk, meaning select all, asterisk means select all, and then now okay, let's come here, and then now let's put select asterisk. The SQL, as you can see, dot. You can drag and drop if it's allowed. Yep, copy dates. Okay, so let's see what we got. See, we have everything well. So let's also again select that. That's it. If you want this, you can just execute it. But if you want both of them to be shown, just then you can see. We can order by the columns. So this one I need it to start by the dates. So number 2, this is the second column, and then number 3, the population. So let's do okay, copy, paste. Yep, this is the data. Okay, so click run. Yep, now you can see this one. You can put number 3 descending. Okay, so all done. Everything here is on point. Yeah, so select ascending. It's up to you. But you can. Yeah, so if this helped, hit the subscribe button, like it, and I'm gonna post the next episode. Be sure to check it out.